Introducing gentleman, historian and all-round legend Bob John, known to you and me as Bobby J! Bobby J, 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 Bobby J! Good afternoon, my dearest chums. How do you do? History is the game I play, and bringing it to you is sick, if you ask me. So let us spit some rhymes right now about a man who found some treasure buried underground. The kingdom of East Anglia was ruled by kings called woofingers. For centuries we worked and fought, and then the Vikings took us. But long before those cheeky Danish thugs sailed here and thrived, East Anglia was ruled over by one big souped-up tribe. They had gods and villages, farmland, kings, blacksmiths, dressmakers, festivals, bling. 2,000 years will pass in a dream. When one day, minding his own beef, a man named Malcolm Tricker is working on a building site and sees something flicker. Over to you, Malk! I stepped over the muddy field, my boots crunching the earth, when something flashed so brightly I should get on with my work. But curiosity has killed a cat or two, they say. I knelt right down and pulled and dug and cleared the dirt away. 5 golden circlets in the ground, all heavy, carved and worn, from long, long, long before my great-great-grandparents were born. I sold them to the Brits Museum for 45k, got rich and was a massive star, and that's why you'll hear me say, you should remember me, you should remember me, you should remember, you should remember, you should remember me. But hey, wait, I've got something to say. My name is Queen of the Iceni, Boudica to you. Malk, I'm glad you found those torcs, but they don't belong to you. Nor should they be in some museum for all the folks to find. Those torcs were made 61 AD by my Iceni tribe. Those golden torcs are mine. You should remember me, you should remember me, you should remember, you should remember, you should remember me. You should remember me, you should remember me, you should remember me, you should remember me, you should remember, you should remember, you should remember me. No, mate, please step aside, all right? I heard you tripped on treasure, but my name's Jason Dozzell, you see. You might know me better as footballer extraordinaire, a legend of the game. It's me who worked and grafted, I should get the glory and fame, yeah? You should remember me, you should remember me, you should remember me, you should remember me, you should remember, you should remember, you should remember me. You should remember me, you should remember me, you should remember me, you should remember me, you should remember, you should remember, you should remember me. Such rich history in our land, the soil, the stories, the kicks. If you know your past, my friends, you always will be rich. You should remember me, you should remember me, you should remember me, you should remember me, you should remember, you should remember, you should remember me. You should remember, you should remember me, you should remember, you should remember me, you should remember, you should remember, you should remember me.